Just a little sneak peek there.
Left my baby crying, said she can't live that way. Left my baby crying, said she can't live that way. Told her love ain't chained down, it just comes and drifts away. The sun in the distance looked like a burning coin. Saw the sun in the distance look like a burning coin. Lord, I don't need no preacher, just that dust road to join. Now I'm rolling through the valley, wind hums through my hair. Yeah, I'm rolling through the valley, wind hums through my hair. You can tell my woman I'm gone and I ain't coming back.
I have more cool builds still coming your way, so you know what to do. Thanks for watching. seconds. It's going to turn off. That is awesome. Can you do the top sensor?
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah.
The same thing. Once 20 seconds is up, it will all the way down. I do have to say, that is pretty cool. Well, there you have it. That is the full build of these custom stairs that I built. And honestly, I love them. With the lighting, how everything looked, with the glass, refinish the stringers, all the new treads, everything out of white oak, the custom stain matching to the floor, everything came out perfect for this stair build. And I couldn't be any more happier with how the outcome of everything came. If you saw the last little picture here of how everything looked when it was done and my house all set up, oh, gorgeous little space. So I want to thank everyone who has followed along and watched this, and you've made it this far. Hit that subscribe and like, help out. Keep following along all the custom builds and stuff that I'm going to be doing. I got a lot of other cool stuff that I'm going to be showing, posting, and throughout this channel. So comment below and let me hear your thoughts and ideas on this build, and I would love to hear some feedback on everything. And also, like, throw out there, what other kind of builds do you want to see? I got lots of stuff that we have built over the years, and I'm going to be bringing to you every week. We're going to be doing long form videos and just smashing out these cool things. So I very appreciate everybody following along, and I hope you enjoy.